Hello and welcome to this Photoshop tutorial, where we will explore how to change the eyes color of a person for the absolute beginner. Hi, I'm Ehsan. I will be guiding you through this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will do my best to answer all your questions. And if you find this tutorial useful and want to see more, please like and consider subscribing so I can create more useful tutorials for you. Okay, let's get started. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the eyes color easily in a few simple steps. Once you have opened the image in Photoshop, create a new layer. Use the zoom tool to zoom in on the eyes so you can work with them easily. Use the elliptical marquee tool and carefully click and drag while holding the Shift key to draw circles around the eyes. Use Ctrl or Command+Z to go back a step if you need to make a correction. Select the new color you like for the eyes, and use the paint bucket to fill the circles. Next, open the Filters menu and scroll down to Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Use a radius of 4 pixels. Choose a soft eraser, and carefully erase the parts of the circles that extend past the eyes. Next, change the layer blending mode to overlay. Use the eraser to erase the color from the pupils. Click Ctrl or Command+D to deselect the circles. Here is a before and after. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I release a new video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next tutorial.